Hello, future travelers. Welcome back to Legalopolis, your go to place for clear and simple explanations about US immigration. Friends, have you or someone you know applied under the EB-4 visa category this year? If you are wondering why there's a delay or what comes next, this video will help you understand it all. And so, let's get started. Friends, on 28th of February 2025, the US State Department announced that all employment-based fourth preference, that is EB-4 visas for fiscal year 2025 have officially been used up. Now let's understand what this means. Friends, the US Immigration and Nationality Act sets a limit on how many EB-4 green cards can be issued each year. That number is 7.1% of the total worldwide employment-based immigrant visa quota. That limit has already been reached for fiscal year 2025, which runs from 1st of October 2024 to 30th of September 2025. And so, if you are in the EB-4 category, no more visas can be issued this fiscal year. What this also means is that with the EB-4 green card numbers being fully utilized, there's no longer a buffer available from that category, which means the annual EB-1 green card allocations are unlikely to see any increase in this fiscal year. And in that regard, embassies and consulates around the world have now paused issuing EB-4 visas for rest of this fiscal year. Now friends, just to clarify, there are two ways to get a green card, that is permanent residency. The first is adjustment of status, which is applicable for people inside the US, that is who are already in the United States with an approved I-140. And they apply through USCIS through Form I-485. And the second method is consular processing, which is applicable for people outside of the United States who already have an approved I-140 petition from USCIS but are currently not in the United States. Then they apply through a US embassy or consulate abroad in their home country. So when the EB-4 annual limit is reached, what happens? The US embassies and consulates outside of the United States will stop issuing EB-4 immigrant visas, and the applicants must wait until 1st of October of the next fiscal year. And that's why the announcement says that embassies and consulates may not issue visas in these categories for the remainder of the fiscal year. Now let's understand who is affected. Now EB-4 is a type of employment-based green card, but it's a special one as it is not for tech workers or managers. It's for special immigrants, which includes religious workers, special immigrant juveniles, certain US government employees abroad, broadcasters for US Agency for Global Media, certain members of the US Armed Forces, Panama Canal Zone employees, etc. So friends, to conclude, in simple terms, EB-4 visa cap for fiscal year 2025 is officially reached. No new EB-4 visas will be issued until 1st of October 2025. And so, you could think of green cards like concert tickets. Once all seats are sold, even if you are next in line, you have to wait for the next show. That next show starts October 1st, 2025 for EB-4 category. But don't worry, if you qualify, your turn is coming. Use this time to get your documents in order and continue to stay informed. And friends, if you found this video helpful, do like, share, and please consider subscribing for more immigration related content. I wish you all the very best in your upcoming visa journey, and until next time, safe travels!